Hello, hi, this is Ryan Ahmed with you, and this is lesson 3 in Haskell programming. Now in this lesson I'm going to show you how to use comments, okay, and how local function definitions are used, okay. And now things a little bit are clear, but it's good that I have to highlight them, because for example this is double dashes, okay. The double dash means it's an inline command on the same line, not on multiple lines, just one line, the current line. Okay, you'll have a command. You can type whatever that you want. The interpreter or the compiler of Haskell will discard it. Okay, will ignore it. So this, for example, this line here, this function here, okay, you are commenting that it's the area of a circle. Now, for you as a C programmer or Java programmer, whatever, okay, just for you, it's not something part of Haskell. I'll just put those slashes, okay, backslash, forward slashes, just for convenience, okay. But they will not. They will be also ignored by the Haskell interpreter, okay. Also, if you want to do something like what you used to do in C, okay, you do this, and then you put your command, okay, which means that you want to have like a whole paragraph which is commented, okay. The alternative in Haskell is this and this, okay. So instead of slash and star, you use a curly brace and a dash and a curly brace. Cool. So this is how it's done, and type as much as you want within those braces. Now what I want to do, just discard, this is not important. It's the local definitions, okay. Now imagine I have a function of named f, okay, and it takes a and y as parameters, but it's defined as s, okay, plus y, but s is not known. You're putting s and you're delaying the definition of s on a later, like in a coming line, okay, because it's easier for you to read the function, okay. So that's why I press enter and I make an indentation. You have to remember that Haskell depends a lot on indentations. Unlike in C, you have to have curly braces just to say that this is a block of code, okay. So it's like Python. If you know Python, you'll understand that indentations are the keys for the block in the code, okay. So where, and you're defining then in a second indentation underneath where the definition of s, okay. So let's imagine that I have also add for example plus x, and I want to define what's x, okay. So I add another line defining that x is, for example, a plus 2, okay. So you can define as much as you want as long as they are on the same definition. Cool. Now to load the file, okay, see, it loaded it, and remember the comments are ignored, so there is no problem, okay, you've got no problem. And here, let's say I have f of 1 and 1, okay, you have a and y, okay. Now the result should be, if we think about it in our brains, okay, so it will be a squared, this is like reduced to a squared, okay, plus a plus 2 plus y. Cool. Think about it, like substitute the variables here, okay. This is what the function is all about, okay. So 1, it will be 5. Now let's think about it and calculate it. Okay, a square, which is, and I put a as 1 and y as 1. A square is 1, so I here have, let's say, here I have 1, and then here I have another 1 plus 2, okay, and plus 1, okay. So if you count them, this is 5. So this is how local definitions work. That's all about this lesson, okay, and keep studying. Thank you for watching. Share the files. Bye.